IG model, walk with a waddle, body shaped like a Coke bottle, pussy stay on full throttle, love it when I swallow, pussy real tight like.
Perfect.
Y'all see the shirt? Pink is my power color, and guess what? That's real facts. You already know what my favorite color is. What's my favorite color, y'all? Put it in the comments down below, and I hope y'all say the right answer. I'm gonna just tell you right now, my favorite color is orange. Wagwan goodie, it is your girl Titty Static, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the goodie gang, okay? Okay, as you can see from the title of this video, this is an unboxing video. It's another unboxing video. Sorry, I'm just so excited because I'm just so excited. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. I don't remember the exact date. Mr. Telfar Clemens was on the Wendy Williams show, promoted his brand Telfar. This brand, this black-owned luxury brand that has taken over the fashion industry. I mean, like, sis got the fashion industry by its throat right now, okay? He was on Wendy Williams promoting Telfar and promoting these new colors of the famous Bushwick Birkin. I like to call them Bushwick Birkins. It makes me feel like. And I seen this one color that caught my eye. That Azalea bag. I saw the pink Azalea bag and I was just like, I have to have it. Like, I have to have that bag. Like, oh my gosh, the color is so pretty and all that, but we're gonna get into that. You know what, now that I have the time to say something, I'ma say it. Wendy was a little shady with Telfar. Men are like that, men are like that. Talking about you, oh, you new on the scene. No. Telfar has been around since 2005, guys. Telfar been here and Telfar been popping. I've known Telfar for a very long time. Telfar nice, because I would have snatched that big body Azalea bag right out her hand for saying that shit. You crazy? You trying to disrespect me? Anyway, next day come, I wake up bright and early for my bag. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna spoil myself. I'm gonna get all three sizes. All three sizes. That didn't happen. I put all three bags in my cart. I go to wait online. You have to wait online when you buy Telfar, so I waited online. By the time it was my time to check out, the small sold out. I wasn't shocked because smalls sell out the quickest. I was like, alright, whatever. I refreshed the page again. The medium is gone. I said, you know what? If I refresh this page, when my blood clot time and my big large bag is not in there, there's going to be some problems. I refreshed the page again. The large was there. I said, F it. And I bought it. And she finally came. So I got the large Azalea Telfar bag. We're gonna open this baddie. As you can see, I didn't open this. This has not been opened yet, okay? Oh, I forgot to say, did y'all know these bags sold out in 3 minutes? Sold out in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I hope Telfar and his team are very, very proud of themselves, because that is amazing. That is what's up, and that is everything Telfar deserves. All right, so let's actually get into this baddie. So this is the box. This is a nice plain box. I love how it's discreet, because yeah, it's discreet. You don't want people teething your Telfar. Oh, before I open this box, y'all should check out Sally Coin's Telfar unboxing. She has the medium to this large. So if you want to check out, you know, the medium size and see how it's looking, I'm gonna link her video down below. Give it a watch, give it a like, support us small YouTubers. Yes? All right, cool. So box, and it's time to pop she open. I don't got nothing to open. I got some tweezers right here. We about to use that. All right. Oh, am I cutting the box? As long as I ain't cutting my bag, I don't give a care. I don't give a care. All right, so open box. Woo! Yo, we didn't even get to the bag yet. But yo, this shit is huge, boss. Yo, this shit is huge. Alrighty. Oh my, I'm so hyped. I can see the pink through the bag. I'm so excited. Alrighty. I love it. I was going to scream, but it is late and my next door neighbor has a baby. I'm quite aware of that. So I'm going to be very conscious and aware of that. But I'm very excited right now. It's through the roof. But yes, this is the big body Azalea Telfar that is now mine. Oh my gosh, she is beautiful. Oh my gosh. And this is an early birthday gift to me. Early birthday gift to me. Oh, this bag is huge. This is like the perfect carry-on, which is good because I'm flying away for my birthday. Oh my, no blood clot way. But do y'all see this?
Look like an IG model, walk with a waddle, body shaped like a Coke bottle, pussy stay on full throttle, love it when I swallow, pussy real tight like a swaddle.
Okay.
Look like an IG model, walk with a waddle, body shaped like a Coke bottle, pussy stay on full throttle.
Yo, I don't know how to act. I love her, and she's gonna be filled with a lot of stuff. And yes, I'm very happy with my, oh, this is huge. Let me show y'all the inside. Like, it's freaking huge. It has, so the except for the small, just the medium for the most part that I know, I believe it only comes with only the medium and the large comes with an extra pocket right here, right? But the large has another pocket. Woo! This is a poppin' ass spend a night bag. I'm glad. Hey, imagine me a party like this. Telfar, keep doing your thing. Keep taking my money. And all is well. I love this bag. I love this color. I'm still getting the bubblegum pink. Don't care. Pink is not pink. There's very different variations of pink, and this is one of my favorite variations of pink. So we good. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you're notified when the video is ready for you to watch. Let me stop acting a fool. I'm about to go show my sister my bag. Oh wait, I'm acting up right now. I totally forgot. People like, don't put your foot in your Telfar. Did you buy it for me? Or you just mad because you couldn't get a Telfar? Move quicker on the computer, sis. Anyway. I don't know how to act. Alright guys, let me go because I'm tired and excited. And I have to call all my sisters to show them my bag after I go show my bag to my sister that's here. Well, stay tuned because they're coming back with more real soon. Peace, bye. Hey. Take it easy. I am my big bag Telfar.